Tesla is not just leading the electric vehicle revolution, it's redefining the entire automotive and energy industry. From groundbreaking battery technology to full self-driving capabilities, Tesla's innovations are shaping the future of transportation and sustainability. Want to know what's next? Stick around as we count down the top 10 game-changing advancements Tesla is pioneering right now. Welcome to Giganova Tech, your go-to channel for the latest innovations, cutting-edge gadgets, and tech breakthroughs shaping the future. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Tesla's most revolutionary advancements, from advanced battery tech to autonomous driving and beyond. Let's get started. The electric cars, EVs, energy solutions, and autonomous driving technologies that Tesla has developed are some of the most groundbreaking breakthroughs in the industry. The company is constantly pushing the limits of what is possible in the automotive sector by incorporating cutting-edge technology in order to improve operational efficiency, safety, and the overall quality of the user experience. In the following summary, we will investigate the most significant technological developments that have led to Tesla's most recent innovations. Number 10. Advanced battery technology. The most recent automobiles produced by Tesla, such as the Model S and Model 3, have cutting-edge battery technology that is designed to provide higher longevity, faster charging, and a greater traveling range. The new cylindrical battery cells manufactured by Tesla, model number 4680, are expected to have a better energy density and efficiency. With a greater size, there can be fewer cells in each vehicle, which results in a reduction in weight and cost while simultaneously enhancing performance. Building a structural battery pack. The new design incorporates the battery cells into the construction of the vehicle, which increases the vehicle's stiffness and decreases its weight. Because of this, the handling and safety are both improved. Battery chemistry innovations. Tesla is always investigating new battery chemistries, such as lithium iron phosphate, LFP, in order to find solutions that are more cost-effective, particularly for standard range vehicles. Electronic vehicles, EVs, are becoming more accessible to customers as a result of these improvements, which contribute to an increase in range up to 400 miles or more, shorter charging times, and lower costs. Number 9. Autonomous driving capabilities. It is a cornerstone of Tesla's innovation strategy that the company is committed to full self-driving (ASD) technology. The company's goal is to revolutionize transportation through the use of advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning. Full self-driving computer. The FSD computer, sometimes referred to as Hardware 3, is equipped with strong neural network processing in order to understand sensor data and make judgments regarding driving in real time. Upgrades to the autopilot software. Tesla is known for releasing over-the-air software upgrades on a regular basis that improve the capabilities of the SSD. Among the features are the ability to navigate using autopilot, automated lane changes, and control of traffic lights and stop signs. The sensor suite is a collection of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar that are installed in Tesla vehicles. This allows for a comprehensive picture of the surrounding area from any angle. The artificial intelligence algorithms are fed this data in order to improve decision-making. The purpose of these advances is to make roads safer and maybe reduce the number of accidents that are caused by human mistake. Additionally, they are laying the way for a future in which ride-sharing services will be operated by autonomous vehicles. Number 8. The combination of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are essential components of Tesla's inventions, particularly with regard to enhancing the functionality of its autonomous systems and finding ways to optimize vehicle operations. Deep learning neural networks are utilized by Tesla, which are trained on large amounts of data gathered from actual driving experiences in the real world. Because of this, the system is able to identify distinct objects, anticipate behaviors, and successfully traverse intricate driving conditions. Each and every Tesla vehicle that is now on the road contributes to a vast dataset, which is used to continuously improve the artificial intelligence algorithms. This information contributes to the improvement of features and the vehicle's overall driving experience. Tesla's ultimate goal is to improve the dependability and safety of its autonomous features by utilizing artificial intelligence (AI), while simultaneously boosting the user experience through adaptive learning based on individual driving behaviors. Number 7. Over-the-air software updates. When it comes to the automotive business, Tesla was a pioneer in the notion of over-the-air (OTA) software upgrades. These updates enable vehicles to obtain updates and new features without the need to visit a repair center. Continuous improvement. Tesla automobiles are always receiving upgrades that improve their efficiency, introduce new features, and correct issues. This ensures that the automobiles are always up to current with the most recent technological advancements. User experience enhancements. Updates might include everything from new entertainment options to enhancements in driving dynamics and energy efficiency. Updates can also include things like new entertainment alternatives. OTA updates extend the lives of Tesla vehicles, making them feel like new over time and considerably lowering the need for physical recalls or repair visits. OTA updates also make Tesla vehicles cheaper to purchase. Number 6. Sustainable manufacturing practices. Tesla is dedicated to ecologically responsible practices, not only in the products it sells but also in the manufacturing procedures it employs. The commitment is significantly influenced by the technological advancements that have been made in production. Gigafactories. Tesla's Gigafactories are manufacturing facilities that manufacture batteries and vehicles at scale using sophisticated manufacturing processes. These factories have an emphasis on energy efficiency and waste reduction, materials that are sustainable. In an effort to reduce the negative impact that its automobiles have on the environment, the company is investigating the possibility of using sustainable materials, such as vegan interiors and recycled components. Not only do these methods lessen Tesla's carbon footprint, but they also appeal to consumers who are environmentally sensitive, which in turn encourages brand loyalty and increases market attractiveness. Before we continue to number 5, if you're enjoying this deep dive into Tesla's latest innovations, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Number 5. Energy Solutions Integration. Tesla's ideas are not limited to automobiles. They also include energy items like solar panels and potential solutions for energy storage. These technologies promote a holistic approach to living a sustainable lifestyle. The Powerwall and PowerPack energy storage systems offered by Tesla enable homeowners and businesses to store solar energy for usage during times of high demand or power outages, thereby optimizing the amount of energy that is consumed. Through the incorporation of solar technology into the architectural design of a home, the solar roof is able to generate energy without sacrificing the beauty of the building. Tesla encourages a sustainable lifestyle by combining electric vehicles with energy solutions. This allows users to generate and store their own energy, which in turn reduces their dependency on conventional sources of energy. Number 4. Innovative vehicle design and aerodynamics. The commitment to innovation that Tesla has extends to the design and aerodynamics of its vehicles, which contributes to improvements in both efficiency and performance. The sleek designs of Tesla automobiles are characterized by smooth lines and a minimalist style, which not only increase the visual attractiveness of the vehicles but also reduce the amount of drag they experience. A number of vehicles use active aerodynamics, which include features such as movable spoilers that optimize airflow based on speed, so enhancing both efficiency and handling with the vehicle. In order to maximize range and performance, Tesla places a strong emphasis on aerodynamics. This allows the company's vehicles to go further on a single charge while still retaining their high-speed stability. Number 3. Charging infrastructure and technology. For the purpose of providing its electric vehicles with support, Tesla has established a comprehensive charging network, which ensures that users will have convenience and accessibility. Supercharger network. Tesla's Supercharger stations enable quick charging, which results in a large amount of range being provided in a short length of time. The placement of these stations along significant travel routes is well thought out and smart. Solutions for home charging. Tesla provides its customers with a variety of home charging alternatives, one of which is the wall connector, which enables them to charge their vehicles in a convenient manner overnight. Number 2. Safety features and innovations. In order to improve the safety of both drivers and passengers, Tesla has made a number of technological breakthroughs. Safety is one of the company's primary concerns. Autopilot safety systems. Tesla automobiles come standard with a number of cutting-edge safety systems, including automatic emergency braking, collision warning, and lane-keeping assistance, all of which are driven by the SD computer. Extensive crash testing and ratings. Tesla automobiles are subjected to rigorous crash testing, and as a result, they have continuously received outstanding safety ratings from organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Number 1. Global impact and future vision. Tesla's innovations have a huge impact on the future of transportation and the sustainability of the world as a whole, as well as on the trends that are occurring in this sector and the behavior of consumers. Traditional automobile manufacturers have been prompted to make significant investments in electric car technology as a result of Tesla's success, which has accelerated the shift to environmentally friendly modes of transportation. Vision for a sustainable future. Tesla's product development and innovation initiatives are informed by the company's aim to hasten the transition to sustainable energy around the world. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Giganova Tech. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs and innovations. See you in the next video.